kaka yo achiel matiyo kwa achiedh nade matuo mar fistula e kind wakeini riwruok mar RMS, Kambi mar tudruok mar Safaricom kod Kambi mar Royal Media Services obago thieth manono mar juma achiel e kaunti ma Kakamega. Wakeini manigi tuo mar fistula koro ikwayo mondo owuog oko mondo oyud thieth manono mondo mi kik gibed ga kwede e kind anyuola. Kaluwore kod Martha Wareithi ma en apisa mawuok e Flying Doctors, gigeto chiwo thieth manono ne wakeini ka gigeto neno ni achiedh nade mar tuo fistula orumo chutho kachopo higa 2030. Chenro ma kamano geto loko ngima wakeini manigi tuo mar fistula kokalo e thiedhogi nono.
We have made a commitment to eradicate fistula in our country and in line with the strategic development goals by 2030. So what we are targeting in Kakamega this week, we have a target of 80 surgeries. And this is ongoing. We'll be here for the rest of the week. We want to thank the county government for the partnership and the support you have shown us.
So far, we have screened over 94 mothers. Out of those, 29 have actually been picked as eligible. We have done 16 surgeries yesterday and today.
So stigma has been one of the situation that most women with such condition face, and we are so grateful for the partners.
One of the core values of Safaricom is basically to transform lives. So M-Pesa Foundation has been partnering with other partners and with AMREF, and just to bring the smile back to our mothers within